Alright, welcome back my friends, ETPC here. We're doing a little review here, unboxing on a USB C to 3.5 millimeter headphone. So I have a Google Pixel, yeah, and it doesn't have the audio jack. So alright, let's go ahead and open this up. You will need some scissors for this one unless you are unless you're tougher than me, which you probably are. Let's get this open, shall we? So, alright, inside, boom, there it is, the audio cable. There we go, got it off of there. So it is USB C 3.5 millimeter audio. So if you have a car or something better than mine. Unfortunately, I thought mine had audio jack. So if I have all the songs on my phone, I could just plug it into my car and listen to it over the speakers. This so basically you just plug it right into your USB C right here on your phone. Google Pixel right here too. And that'll work, should work on most, I believe, what are most Androids USB-C Type C. I'm not sure, not a phone expert here, my friends. So let's see, it says it's 6 feet here, about a 6 foot wingspan. Yeah, so it is kind of nice that it coils up into something a little bit smaller and compact, and you can put it away. I wish I had something I could test it on. I'm trying to rack in my brain here. Do I have some speakers I could throw this into and check it out, you know? Anyways, that's the unboxing, my friends. And thanks for watching. I'll try to get a demonstration going here if I can find something I can plug this into. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.